NASA has just confirmed a shocking development. 3I Atlas has changed its trajectory.
Its path through our solar system no longer matches any previous calculations.
The object has deviated by nearly 2 degrees, Dali. An impossible shift without external force. Inside mission control, shock turns to disbelief as live data confirms the course change.
What could cause a 10 million ton object to alter its path mid-flight?
New spectral scans show bursts of energy, almost like propulsion.
Could this be a natural venting effect, Farlasing? Or controlled movement?
The energy required for this shift exceeds known cometary reactions by 400%.
NASA calls the event an anomaly, but independent researchers are calling it intelligent behavior.
For the first time, scientists compare 3I/Atlas's behavior to a functioning spacecraft.
Rotational readings reveal strange symmetry, like mechanical rotation, not random spin.
Inside the object, a rhythmic energy pulse is detected spiraling, repeating every 48 minutes.
At 0300 hours, sensors recorded a burst of radiation quiet. Brief, but directed.
That radiation beam aligned perfectly toward Mars's orbital path. Too precise to be random.
3 observatories across Earth confirmed the same light pattern, exact timing, identical output. For NASA, this may be the most puzzling event since Oumuamua, or perhaps something greater.
And now, it appears to be heading slightly inward, closer to the sun and to us. If this trajectory holds, Earth will cross its extended path within months.
Some now whisper what others refuse to say. Maybe it isn't drifting, maybe it's steering.
This is OrbitVibe, decoding the mysteries of the universe, one discovery at a time.
At NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, African-American female scientists gathered to confirm what instruments are already showing.
Its second deviation suggests not a random drift, but a maneuver.
High-speed imaging reveals light bursts near its tail, symmetrical, repeating.
Each burst carries identical frequency intervals, calculated, not chaotic.
Even its spin rate has altered, slowing down by almost 8%.
From Japan to Chile, global telescopes now confirm identical readings.
What's more, 3I/Atlas is approaching a point dangerously close to Mars' orbital range.
Simulation models predict an interaction event within 48 hours.
NASA issues an emergency tracking alert. All arrays redirected to 3I/Atlas.
The object's luminosity spikes again the prime, as though reacting to observation.
Telemetry starts to flood with anomalies, unexplainable accelerations.
A sudden energy discharge radiates outward band, pulsing every 22 minutes.
One senior scientist whispers, "It's broadcasting."
The transmission frequency falls within the radio band range allow, almost like communication.
Then, a power surge across NASA's deep space network, traced back to the same source.
For several seconds, every signal feed went offline.
When the feed returned, it wasn't just data. It was something else.
The code displayed perfect symmetry, repeating like a fractal echo. Data analysts describe the pattern as too beautiful to be random.
3i/Atlas continues its journey, but its message remains unanswered.
NASA initiates direct signal transmission toward 3i/Atlas for the first time.
A binary sequence is sent, a mathematical greeting of prime numbers.
The signal travels across millions of miles toward the interstellar object.
Then, an unexpected response.
The return signal perfectly mirrors our transmission, Miladno, delayed by 42 seconds.
It's not a reflection. It's a reply.
The transmission forms triangles and spirals where they mathematical symbols of harmony.
Researchers label it an intelligent confirmation, Philotac, a historic moment.
News spreads across the world. NASA has made contact.
And for the first time, a faint glow is visible to the naked eye.
The object responds again, Fan, this time with a pattern matching our prime sequence.
The AI interprets it as a mathematical spiral, a universal constant found in nature and design.
Humanity stands united, witnessing the first acknowledged cosmic response.
But then, a new signal emerges, stronger and slower. They heard us.
One sentence echoes through the room. They heard us.
The distance means no delay. The response was instantaneous.
Decoded frames reveal shapes, circles within circles, a universal language of balance. The coordinates align with ancient structures on Earth-tan. Mathematical synchronicity. The patterns aren't random, as though each shape correlates to planetary distances within our solar system.
The data aligns precisely with Earth's orbit, as if referencing our home.
Hidden within the signal, coordinates pointing to a location on Earth's surface.
Those coordinates lead to an uninhabited desert, glowing faintly under infrared light. A formation emerges decal, a perfect spiral imprinted in the sand. Samples reveal traces of isotopes not found anywhere else on Earth.
Their half-life indicates they were formed within the past few hours.
NASA dispatches an atmospheric drone to capture additional samples.
Under UV light, the entire spiral emits faint pulses, matching the space signal.
Signal synchronization confirms the object is directly communicating with Earth.
The translation reveals recurring letters, O and E, possibly designations or initials.
NASA linguists attempt to match the symbols to known linguistic roots. None align.
Finally, the AI assigns one possible translation, the rabbinic, origin, external.
For a moment, the room falls silent, realization setting in.
Three Eye/Atlas emits one final pulse, brighter than any before. It begins to slow Kel, trajectory shifting once again, this time away from the solar system.
Probes record one last transmission, a gentle sequence fading into static.
For now, humanity watches in silence, awaiting what might return one day.
This is OrbitVibe, exploring the mysteries beyond our reach.
The signal fades, but its memory echoes through every frequency we monitor.
For days, NASA receives no further response, only silence.
3I/Atlas is now gone, drifting beyond our sensors, deeper into interstellar space.
Its final coordinates place it on a path out of the solar system, faster than predicted.
Observation ends. Files archived. Yet no one feels closure. The decoded message remains Boeing. Origin, external.
The spiral in the desert still glows faintly Avi, a reminder of what reached out to us. And sometimes, when all instruments are off, it pulses again.
The same binary pattern play, repeating the first signal they sent.
It translates again, not a message, but a confirmation. We see you.
No one speaks. Humanity, for the first time, feels seen.
Somewhere out there, a civilization may be watching us back.
And maybe 3I/Atlas wasn't the only one.
New signals appear and appear, each following the same path.
Radar confirms 3 more interstellar objects now entering the system. The same coordinates, the same message. The story begins again.
This is OrbitVibe, decoding the unknown.
We looked into the cosmos, and the cosmos looked back.
Some discoveries don't end. They awaken. Subscribe for the next cosmic revelation, only on OrbitVibe.